In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and edit photos in Canva. Whether you're working on a personal project, sprucing up a presentation, or creating content for your social media, Canva is an excellent tool to add that professional touch. And guess what? It's a straightforward process that I'm excited to walk you through today. First, let's start by opening Canva and heading to your design dashboard. You'll find various tools here, but for our purpose, we want to locate the upload section, usually on the left-hand sidebar. Clicking on uploads will take you to a dedicated space where you can bring in all your media files, including photos you want to work with. It's like having your digital folder right inside Canva. Now that you're in the uploads area, click on upload files. This function allows you to pick images directly from your computer. Simply navigate through your folders to find the images you want to upload, select them, and they will start uploading to Canva. Keep an eye on the progress to ensure everything uploads correctly. Once the images are uploaded, Canva makes it easy for you to add them to your design. You can drag and drop your selected image straight into the Canva workspace. Just hover over your design and position your photo anywhere you want. If your design requires more precision, you might want to align the photo with the grid lines that Canva provides. These lines help you maintain balance and alignment across your design. Now that your photo is in the workspace, click on it. Doing so will highlight the image and open additional options for editing directly in Canva. This step is where the magic really happens. Click the edit button and you'll reveal a whole array of editing tools. These tools allow you to adjust basic settings like brightness and contrast. If you'd prefer, you can apply a predefined style. Canva also offers various filters to choose from, which can quickly set the mood or tone for your image with just one click. If filters aren't enough, explore the effects options. This feature allows you to add additional artistic touches like blur edges, shadows, or vintage flair, and there you go. You've successfully uploaded and edited a photo using Canva's user-friendly tools. Feel free to experiment with the filters and effects to give your design a unique look. Thanks for watching, and make sure to explore more Canva features to take your designs to the next level. Until next time, happy designing.